The sixth tutorial deals with the front and the back end of the sequence of play. The sequence of play initially begins with a strategic phase. During the strategic phase, random events are rolled for, and they could bring in British, French, or Israeli troops, Soviet Pacific Fleet assets. It could lead to the denial of bases in Somalia. There could be Afghans operating. So there's a number of political outcomes. Reinforcements also occur at that stage, and this is followed by the assignment stage, and units are selected for reserve status, and that depends on being within 5 hex of a headquarters. Aircraft are assigned interception or offensive missions on the track. Units can be broken down, particularly Iranian and Russian units and American divisions. That's sort of the calculus of how it's done. There is special forces missions are assigned and executed, and initiative is determined by the number of hits, and that's found in the scenario. In the end stage of the sequence of play, this occurs after all of the action stages. All hits are removed from supply depots. All units which are out of supply, all ground units which are out of supply, receive a hit, but they cannot be eliminated by the loss of those hits. Supply depots can be removed and their supply points spent, and they can be built on supply sources. Units can be repaired. All airfields with hits on them with functioning and in supply air bases have all their hits removed. Engineers can construct bridges over rivers. Ships are assigned from underway to port mode. If they're in a port and they're underway, they can receive a port marker and then load and unload. And finally, naval transport in those ports can load and unload their supplies.